Hello, I'm Bruce Kowalchuk with St 21 Bachman Associates, and I'm excited to show you my latest listing. We are in St Boniface at 450 Uville Street, and this is Pointe Riviere Condominiums along the banks of the Seine River. And for sale at this great location is Suite 102. And it has a southern elevation overlooking the grounds and the river, and I think you're going to really like it, and we'll even show you the river paths. Okay, before we go up to the suite, I just wanted to show you the common area rec room, party room, and the outdoor patio. And also there's a gym, which we're going to show you, and an indoor parkade, and lots of extra parking outside. And of course there's an elevator servicing the whole building. And inside the suite we have 1,278 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 2 baths and gorgeous views from the balcony, which we'll show you. To get a closer look, we look forward to booking your scheduled showing, and all the details are at my website at brucekowalchuk.com.